Hey team, welcome back to the channel. I'm Frank Cho. I'm here to help you live a richer life. I'm letting my hair down so we can do a quick update on the Southwest Rapid Rewards Plus credit card. As you're thinking about how to use a credit card to build credit and to earn rewards, it's important for you to understand the factors that go into building up your credit history found on your credit report and your credit score. Go check out the video up here by our friends at Life in Equilibrium. They did a fantastic video breaking down 11 tips for you to be able to improve your credit score. We're all shooting to get over that 800 mark, and these tips will help you get there quick. Hit that video up. Drop them a like and hit a subscribe for them. They're a growing channel and they're doing a great job, and I don't want you to miss out. As a quick refresher, if you were here for the videos before, we went through how to get the Southwest credit card, what the special sign-up bonus was, and how to get Companion Pass. I'll link those below so that you can go back and refer to them. We're only going to go through a quick update of where I'm at on my progress to the Companion Pass, and then a few quick tips for you if that's something you're pursuing. And I also want to hit up the new Southwest offer, which is a little different, but I think it could be good for some of you out there. So I do want to at least mention it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Drop me a comment down below and let me know the first place you plan to travel after we get through all of this pandemic mess, and hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. That being said, let's hop right into it. Alright team, so let me show you where I'm at, and then I'll recap for you the programs available for you to be able to earn extra Rapid Rewards points, and then I'll talk about the offers that are out there right now. So just quickly again, here's the tracker that I made. It's still going to be linked down there in the description. Totally free, no sign up, no email, no course, nothing like that. It's just there so that you can easily track this on your own. It's not going to include these snips down here at the bottom, which are just my information. It's just the top part. I like having the tracker because, again, it allows me to plan. With Southwest website, they give you this little image on southwest.com, but it only tells you what you've already done. By having it this way, I'm able to track what I need to do, and then I can decide where I want to spend or target spending. And you can also use this for anything else. You can just overwrite stuff and use it for a different card if you want. So that's there for you. Where I'm at now, so I have earned 122,789 of the 125,000 required. So I only need 2,200 points, which is awesome. I'm super close right now. We're still not ready to be able to travel, so I don't have a big hill to climb here. Now, if I'm just spending at the base level on the card, that would be $2,200 I would have to spend. I'm not doing everything at that level. So again, let's just recap Jan and Feb. So $40,000 initial bonus. I hit that pretty quickly off the spending, hitting that $2,000 mark, but then also I hit that $10,000 mark this month. So I got the 30,000 point bonus for hitting that mark. Again, remember, not spending more than we need to, but we did buy a new house and we had to install a brand new lawn. It's not something you can avoid. The HOA won't let you get away without doing it. And so it's one of those sort of necessary things, but being able to put on the card really helps. So you can see that big spend in February, largely driven by the lawn. Rapid Rewards dining and shopping, got a little bit there, about 4,000, which is great because I definitely didn't spend anywhere near that. You can see here what I got, a couple big ones on Rapid Rewards shopping. With Sunbasket was 2,700, which was big, and Grove was 700. Grove was one I had kind of wanted to try, give it a shot. It's, natural products. You can see I spent $38 there and basically stocked up on detergent and cleaning supplies and all those things. But it gave me 700 points, and it was things that I was already looking at buying. We needed them, having just moved in, and we needed to kind of stock up there. So it was all money that needed to be spent, was going to be spent, and there just happened to be a bonus. So make sure you keep that mindset when you're doing these cards, that it's not to overspend, it's not to spend on what you wouldn't already be buying, but you're taking the opportunity to leverage these purchases you're already making to be able to earn these rewards and outsized rewards in the case of the card. And finally, I already was a Rapid Rewards member before the start of the year, so they gave me 25,000 qualifying points just from the beginning, from the get-go. And if you are a Rapid Rewards member and have been, if you log in, you'll see that there on the tracker. It automatically was applied for everybody who was already an existing member. So instead of 125, you really only have to get 100. Remember, this Southwest offer was 80, just off of the bonuses plus the spend. The offers are a little different right now, so let's take a quick look at a couple of things. So this was the offer. It says apply by 2/8. So we just passed that. I don't know if you apply here, if it will let you have that bonus anymore. The link still works. If not, it will probably kick you over to the new offer. So if you go just to Chase's website, you'll see the new offer, which is actually pretty cool. You get Companion Pass and 30,000 points, both of them. You just get them if you spend 5,000 in the first 3 months. However, the little caveat to that is this is a limited time Companion Pass. This Companion Pass is only good through the end of February next year. So it's about 1 calendar year. Whereas if you earn the Companion Pass on your own via the points, you get the remainder of the current calendar year and the full next calendar year. So when I get this in a couple weeks, when it finally closes out and I get the Companion Pass, I will have it for all of next year and the remaining 9 to 10 months of this year. So that's pretty close to 2 full years. Keep that in mind. So if you go this route, it's a short-term deal, but it gets you in there a lot quicker. And if you want to do that, bring some of that travel forward, hey, it's a great opportunity. And it's a unique way of them packaging it. I like that they're making it a lot more accessible. They really want people back in the air. I think this is fantastic. So do it if you think it's going to add value to you. Now, as far as the Southwest dining and shopping, just a quick recap. Again, you can go Southwest Dining, rapidrewardsdining.com, sign up, get the 1,000-point bonus for doing your first one, and then also move along through here, find restaurants, get extra points, so on. So good option if you live in a place where there's more restaurants. Where I live, not so much. But the big one, and the one that I really like, Rapid Rewards Shopping, is just like Rakuten or Retail Me Not or any of these other online shopping portals. You can go through here, go to the stores, view them all, sort your stores by the earning rate. That will identify some of these low-hanging fruit ones that I like to target. So like that Sunbasket one I found right here, sorting by earn rate. You scroll down the list and it's like, oh, geez, 2,700 points, great. So I went for it. There's some other ones here that have those bigger offers, but you can go through here and find what works for you. So hopefully this has been helpful. Make sure that you go after it though earlier in the year. That way you can take advantage of it for a longer period of time. Thank you for watching. I hope that you all are able to get back to flying soon. I am looking forward to it so much. My grandfather is one of the few remaining World War II veterans that were present at the raising of the flag at Iwo Jima, and I hope that I can see him again. He's getting up there. He's approaching his mid-90s, and so to be able to see him one more time before he takes that kind of next step would be really meaningful. So hopefully we can get back in the air very soon. I hope you are all safe and healthy. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Drop me a like and let me know where the first place you plan on traveling is down in the comments. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.